Top 20 Edward Witten quotes. Edward Witten is an American mathematical and theoretical physicist. String theory is based on the simple idea that the universe may have more dimensions than we see. Physics is the only real science. The rest are just stamp collecting. Mathematics is a language. Physics is about the real world. The idea of a dimension is a way of talking about something that's a degree of freedom. One of the basic features of string theory is that it's a theory of gravity. One reason why string theory is exciting is because it shows a way that math and physics can be put together in a unified way. The main thing that is novel is this idea that you can have more dimensions than the usual three. In string theory, the fabric of the universe is made up of tiny loops of string. String theory is a theory of quantum gravity, which is a theory of the gravitational force. The idea of string theory is that the fundamental constituents of the universe are not point particles, but rather little loops of string. String theory is a theory of quantum gravity. That's what makes it interesting. One of the things that's novel about string theory is that it provides a way of making sense of the idea of extra dimensions. String theory is an attempt to combine Einstein's theory of gravity with quantum mechanics. The basic idea of string theory is that the constituents of the universe are not point particles, but little loops of string. String theory is a theory of everything. It's an attempt to make sense of all the fundamental forces in the universe. String theory is an attempt to make sense of the idea of extra dimensions. One of the key ideas of string theory is that the universe may have more dimensions than we see. In theoretical physics, there are at least two divergent schools, each of which is more or less at war with the other. String theory is a very ambitious theory, and many of the ideas in it are very speculative. In physics, you're always wrestling with models that deal with the very big or the very small. String theory is an attempt to make sense of the very small.